Yeastar P-Series Software Edition can now be installed on a mini PC using the Ubuntu ISO image. This method is ideal if you're deploying the PBX on your own hardware, like a mini PC, and want a clean, stable installation with full control over the environment. You will need a USB drive formatted to FAT32, the Yeastar PBX ISO image, and an Ubuntu-based ISO writing tool. First, prepare your USB drive installer. Download the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition ISO from the Yeastar official website. You will also need a tool to write this ISO file to a USB drive. We recommend using Rufus. Open it. Insert a USB drive and choose it as the target device. And select the Yeastar ISO file you downloaded. And click Start. The tool will write the ISO to your USB drive and make it bootable. Once it's done, insert the USB drive into your mini PC. Turn on the mini PC and enter the boot menu. The key to access the boot menu depends on your device, but it's commonly F7, F10, or ESC. Watch the startup screen for hints. From the boot menu, select the USB drive to start the installation. Once done, click on Save Changes and exit. The Yeastar installation menu will appear. Use the arrow keys to select Try or Install Ubuntu Server and press Enter. Then, select Custom Storage Layout and select Down. Now you can go to available devices to create the hard disk partition as needed. First, select the disk space. Then add a GPT partition. To add a /swap, you will need no less than 10 gigs. Then we can proceed to add a /partition, also no less than 10 gigs. And finally, add a /home partition. This partition is for all home directories, so you can use the remaining free space after creating the previous partitions, or you may add another drive for it. Then select Down and Continue. The system will begin the installation process, which may take a few minutes. After a while, you will see the prompt to remove the installation medium. Remove the USB drive when you see it. Wait for another 5 to 10 minutes until the installation process finishes. Then press Enter. If you see IPPBX login, it means the installation process is complete and it's now successfully installed. Now we can change the default IP address of this PBX before we access it. At the PBX login prompt, type support and press Enter. For the password, enter login PBX. Or capitalize the Q, HCYAXS, capitalize the G, CYWYMG 2022. Now press 1 to enter and set the network mode to DHCP. Then change the IP address as needed. This setup will make a few minutes to finish. From here, you can activate the product, configure the network, and set up extensions or trunks just as you would on any other P-Series deployment. That's it. That was how we're going to figure out the installation of the P-Series Software Edition on a mini PC. Hope you guys will like it. Need more details? Visit yeastar.com and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.